Meme Gen AI is a website that allows you to make visual memes using AI. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, we've got a feed of things that other people have been making, some interesting memes like this, or interesting visuals really, like this baby breathing out fire. We've got some interesting stuff here. I'm going to dive right in and see what we can create. I'm going to go with, Elon, and I can choose to apply an animation. I can choose which one I want. Let's go with, this is an interesting one. Let's see which ones we've got here. Cool, we've got fire breathing. We've got, okay, we've got that as well. Let's go with, I'm quite sure. Let's go with squish face. Yeah, let's go with this. Why not? And you can actually add a small prompt to make a light edit. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to leave that out and I'm just going to click generate and see what we get here. So you can also click on this hamburger and learn a bit more about the platform if you wish to do so. If you want as well, you can check out any sort of previous memes that you've generated by clicking on this check my works here as well. You can also access it from the button here in this drop down menu on the top right. So yeah, this is almost done now. Let's see what kind of meme about Elon it makes, or what kind of visual interesting effect it creates. I think it's probably going to be something that's quite similar to the face squish. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Okay, cool. And there we've got someone just squishing Elon Musk's face. Interesting stuff. I'm pinching his cheeks. Cool. Well, there's a few other things you can do as well. You can choose a reaction as well. Let's go with this explode one and see what we get. But this is it's quite an interesting platform. I think it's something just to have a bit of fun with if you want to potentially send some memes, or maybe just create some interactive and more casual kind of content for your audience or user base. But yeah, it's definitely something worth exploring if you're deep in the meme space and you constantly have to make memes. I'm just gonna wait and see what we get from this generation of the explode reaction. I'm not quite sure what's gonna explode, if it's gonna be the hands or if it's gonna be Elon himself, but yeah, let's take a look. Okay, so we've got it here and there's just a massive explosion. Oh wow, okay. This is quite an interesting one. So yeah, his cheeks keep getting pinched and then he explodes. Okay, cool. Yeah, this seems quite interesting, somewhat comical. Check it out if you think it would be interesting for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.